Hi guys, welcome back. It's a spitty day.
Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. We're off to go and pick up the Srad, or Srad, no it's Srad, and go and pick that bad girl up, bring her back home, and let's get stuck into that. So you guys going to come with us? We're heading down to Hamilton Motorcycles, go and see the boys down there, so yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, we're off.
Okay, how are you feeling about this occasion?
It's been ages. I think the bike's been away now for, gosh, must be 6 weeks, because we had to wait 3 or 4 weeks from that part to come from the States. So yeah, super looking forward to getting her back and then get underway and piecing her. I can't wait to ride her actually, because she's rideable now. So shoot down the road on it. I can't go far, obviously, because of the state it's in, but yeah, super excited. Super excited.
Yeah, for me it's been like, the time has been like a mirage. It's just, oh, okay, where is she? Oh, that one. The one thing I do think is cool about the Srad is that it's the colours of the Chiefs.
Oh yeah, Chiefs colours. Chief, my cattle country.
Yeah, gotta support the boys.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go.
So we've picked her up, she's on the trailer. Gonna head back home, get her off. See if the battery needs charging, maybe, maybe not. And then really tempted just to go for a ride and see what happens, so we'll give that a whirl. Okay guys, she's back in the stable and we'll get on to her tomorrow.
Where am I sitting this?
You know where to put it. This is our first official ride guys, so here we go, clutch in, taking it down. Oh my god, girl. just like a little twist. Just a little twist. This thing's a rocket. Damn. Yeah, no, that's gonna be up there as one of my favorites. It's got, you can just feel the power instantly. So even this, it's even lost a little bit of traction. So it's gonna be fun. Oh man, that light. Unreal. That's a beast. So that's our highest horsepower bike we've got.
Chunky mama.
160 horse, 120 kilowatt. With no aids, no traction control, no nothing. You got the speaker on? I mean the microphone on?
Stealthy like Stacey's mom.
Oh man, that's... I can't wait for this that big together.
Yeah. Oh, I love the sound. I love the sound. Like she's reverberating down the street long after you've passed.
Yeah. Oh, she's such... I mean, she just rides so nice.
I tell you what,
Brakes are good, everything.
Yeah.
Just, yeah.
She looks stunning on camera.
Yeah, wait till we get her body done. Even just getting this all groomed nicely. So, yeah, we're just gonna get the body work done. Matt's been over the bike, happy as Larry with it. We'll do a few tweaks when we take it back. And then, yeah, then we can go for a real ride. So, freaking exciting. This bike is just, yeah, what a beast. So cool, so happy. Man. Can I have a look at the footage?
Yeah.
Have I got a smile on my face?
Yeah, big one.
That's so cool. Got it sorted. Got the red light. Okay guys, so the 92 CBR, which was meant to be a flipper, but someone fell in love with it. Don't know why, she hasn't even ridden it, but she loves it. So of course it's staying. So I'm gonna take it out for a ride because we haven't ridden it. It's got Oxford heated grips, CBR 600F, US import, done 50,714 miles. Absolutely runs like a dream. When we got it, all we had to do is ignition and give it a clean up, and battery. And this thing has just been super reliable on starting up, started up, and then let it run for a period of time to put some heat in it. We've done a little bit of paint work. That's it, we've kept it really original, so she's a survivor. So I'm gonna take her out, see how she runs. Once I get her started. Just like that. Got the heated Oxford grips on, just to keep me warm. Here comes the bloody rain. So I'm not happy about that. Tyres seem to be okay-ish. Hoping it wouldn't rain. I really want to go out in this rain.
You don't?
Well, let's see if it passes. So,
We'll wait a bit, have a cuppa.
oh, we've got to let that warm up.
Yeah.
So it won't, the cuppa's going to be too long. So, yeah, put my rain cap on. Yeah, now I feel a bit more at home. So it's New Zealand. It'll rain for 2 seconds and then be fine. But hopefully it'll because I don't know how the camera will hold up. So I haven't got it at the pace. just in one of those pod cases, but I don't think it's waterproof at all. So give it a couple of minutes. Might get some warm up anyway. So pussy, it's around your neck. So what's the love affair? What's the love affair with the CBR?
Just the look, the colour, and that was my first thing because I didn't know anything about bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's it?
Yeah.
Just the colour. Do you think you'd attempt to ride it?
You're shaking your head, you don't think so?
No. Once you get really good at riding the other bike, yeah, the little Aprilia.
In due time, my dear, in due time.
Yeah, due time. Not sure. It's a bit wet.
A bit spitty.
Eh?
It's just a bit spitty.
A bit spitty. Such a cool looking bike too, eh? Such an old school girl. All original. It's all original. So. Oh, too early on the choke. I think I flooded it a little bit. I see it's starting to stop. So, might just grab a towel, wipe my butt. I mean grab a towel to wipe the seat, not my butt. Idle, baby, idle. Okay. I'll go around the block first and just see how the... I don't know. Okay guys. Go around the block first. Let's get the seat to dry. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. I'll just go around the block and see what it's like.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so it wasn't running very nice, but I think that it was a bit flooded out, and I've cleared it with some choke, and now it sounds way better. So yeah, happier. But I think we still need to drain that gas, so that choke wasn't completely off, so but better now.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's a spitty day.
Spitty day.
And we are washing the Srad,
The parts.
the parts.
Yeah, get them all clean, ready for prep. So that's what we're concentrating on right now. got it sorted out. Yep.
Hi, hello. Yes.
Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Next week we'll get into the preparation of the body and start detailing her up on the chassis as well. And we need to track down some 748 parts, either another tank or we'll fix that tank, make it look better, and some mirrors. Got to get it down to Richard at Hamilton Motorcycles.
Yeah.
We saw them a couple of days ago to get that sorted out. And what else?
Oh, just really getting more open
Yeah,
at the moment.
and also the 748, we'll start stripping that down as well and getting that sorted out, getting it up to where we've got some of the other bikes. And yeah, no, doing good, eh? Not too bad.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby guys, so thank you for all the support.
Yeah.
Thank you for tuning in.
Last week we had a big outcome.
Yeah, it was good, it was very good, and we want to repeat that, so give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and we're still aiming for that 500 by the 3rd of August, which is a big ask, but we're so happy with what we've received so far, so very blessed guys, thank you so much for everything. So until then, take care.
Peace out.
Peace. Till then, cheers.
Hi guys, put a thumbs up if you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe.
Thank you.